Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. On one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. So let's get started, Taurians. Let's see what's there for Taurians. On your side, we have the Nine of Pentacles. Let's see what's there on your person side. Okay, so on your person side, we have the Ten of Wands. Let's see what's the most likely outcome. The Five of Wands. Okay. So as far as these three cards are concerned, with the Nine of Pentacles, you are focusing on yourself and perhaps you are spending time alone, being single. So you're focusing on yourself, you're healing yourself, rejuvenating yourself. Perhaps on a vacation, perhaps even staying away from this person, maybe even temporarily, maybe not talking to them. That can be the reason. But you are overall focusing on you. Even if you are staying with them, you are not invested in them, and you are trying to focus on yourself and your well-being and nurturing yourself, healing yourself. Basically, it's all about healing yourself. It's not focusing on yourself in a selfish way. It is focusing on healing yourself and trying to balance and compose yourself, sort of. Okay, so that is what you are doing. And with the Ten of Wands on your person's side, this person is also feeling burdened in this situation or this relationship, and they're also done with it. And I think they're also sort of walking away. This person is also walking away, tired of carrying the burden, and they just want to put it aside. So there's something going on, some rift going on, or some sort of imbalance uh, because of some reason going on in this connection. And here with the Five of Wands as the mutual outcome or the most likely outcome, definitely some sort of conflict, argument. Maybe you're not agreeing with each other on some particular issue which is very, very important, or maybe that is a general thing in your life that you are not compatible. Can be that, but there is something, a lot of arguments are going on. Maybe these arguments are frequent enough, and both of you are feeling sort of sick and tired and just leading your own lives, sort of. Definitely something is going on which is obviously not very healthy for this connection. Let's see why is this Nine of Pentacles here for on your side. Okay, we have the Queen of Swords, the Nine of Cups, and the Page of Pentacles on your side. Let's see what's, I want to see this card. Ace of Swords. Let's see what's there on your person's side. Okay, we have the Knight of Swords, the World, and the Page of Wands on your person's side. Let's see. Why is this Five of Wands here for? Okay, Lovers. Again the Five of Wands. And the Ace of Swords. Okay, I saw this card here also. Just flipped up. Okay. So as far as these cards are concerned, on your side, we have the Queen of Swords, the Nine of Cups, and the Page of Pentacles. So first of all, definitely with the Queen of Swords, you are detached from this situation. Definitely being single, or at least spending time alone. Very detached, cold. not talking much, not investing much in this relationship. Definitely taking some time off. That is for sure. And there is a very less communication between the both of you as far as these cards are concerned. And with the Nine of Cups, what I feel here is, I don't know why I'm getting one thing, overspending, extravagant, lavish, wastage. Has this issue come up because of true extravagant behavior of you? Can be that. I don't know. This may be for some of you only, that this is something. This is somebody who is just spending a lot, sort of being too extravagant, and maybe that is the issue of conflict. Can be for some of you. For others, what I feel here is that there has been something which you have stumbled on, sort of. It's like something has fallen down. It's, you didn't know it will be like that. There was something which happened, some instance which has happened, which has everything has fallen apart because of that particular reason. For that particular reason, that can be being extravagant for some of you. For others of you, it can be anything else also. But there has been something which but I think it is concerning money. Again and again, I'm getting it can be concerning money. Okay, there is something which is regarding money or property or something like that, and that you've stumbled over, and it's all over the place, and it's you've maybe it can be that you've lost some money, can be that also. I don't know, but you've definitely stumbled over something. There is some decision or something which you have stumbled on, because of which this issue has crept up. Okay, now this can be about something else also for some of you, but definitely there has been some issue which you did not expect will go this way, and it just happened all over the place, and you were not even prepared for it. You didn't know that this is what is going to be the outcome. That's what I'm trying to say over here. And here with the Page of Pentacles, now what I feel here is that now you yourself are feeling pretty bad about it, sort of. You're holding this relationship close to your chest. You have feelings, you have love for this person, but you are very very guarded over here. That is one thing. And the another thing is that now you are keeping those things and those belongings close to you. Now you are uh, trying those remedial measures, perhaps holding that wealth. If it was materialistic thing, it was money or something like that also close to your chest. And apart from that, you are holding back also to some extent. You're holding everything close to your chest inside you. That can be the wealth which I said. Maybe that is some for some of you, being a spendthrift or being too extravagant, can be that for some of you. But here this person is guarding things once again, and you want a new beginning with this person. That is one more thing. you want you want things to be stable, and you are now holding things close to your chest. So that is what I feel, is that now the thing is, you are feeling bad about the entire situation. You want to correct it. You really want to correct the situation. Okay, you are not doing the mistake what you did once again. You're not repeating your mistakes, basically. You are humbled. You are not feeling that bad and arrogant also. You know that things have gone wrong and you want to correct them. Okay, and here on your person's side, we have the Knight of Swords, the World, and the Page of Swords. I think this person is moving away only. At least for now, this person has something else in their mind. They are just they are done with the crap. There is something wrong which is going on. This person has dealt with it for enough. time, and this person is really running away, and what they have in mind is they want to enter a different arena or a different phase of life. That's what I'm getting. This person wants an exit, and they want to move in a different sphere of life, or they want to have a new beginning. Basically, that's what I'm getting. This person wants to escape or leave this connection, and they want a new life, basically. And here with the Page of Wands, what I feel here is, yeah, this person wants to enjoy life. This person wants to have a new life in which they can enjoy themselves, they can be playful, something like that. But I really don't feel there is any communication. Maybe you want a new start, but you are not opening up, you're holding back, as I said. Perhaps not even repeating the past mistakes, but still holding back. And this person really wants to enjoy their life. This person wants to exit from this relationship, and they want a new beginning in their life in which they can enjoy and they can be happy. That's what I'm getting here. And as far as this is concerned, the mutual energy, again, for the Five of Wands, again, as I said, we have the Lovers, the Five of Wands, and the Ace of Swords. So, Five of Wands definitely, see, with the Lovers, there is definitely a lot of love, a lot of passion in this connection. So, in spite of it being a very passionate relationship, and in spite of being a sort of, it is sort of a soulmate type of an energy, and in spite of having that sort of divine connection or a beautiful connection and having that love, there are certain things which you people are not able to sort out, and because of that this argument is going on for whatever reason it is. And here with the Ace of Swords, somebody here, some sort of mental clarity is being looked for, and aces talk about beginning. So because there's some sort of a new beginning which perhaps can be anticipated, because there is love in this connection. There is love in this connection. Okay, I want to take few cards from this deck. Let me see. You feel left out in the cold. Healing yourself. Page of Pentacles, wanting a new beginning. Yes, with the Page of Wands again, wanting a new beginning, definitely in this connection. So at least what I feel is, for the Ace of Swords, I took these clarifiers. So what I feel is that though this is on the mind, this is the energy, you feel ignored, feel left out, perhaps give some time to totally surrender to the situation. Just heal yourself, give it some time. What I feel here is that if you give it some time, if you heal to the situation, let it heal. What I feel here is that you do want a new beginning. You may get a small message or some sort of communication may be there in between both of you. Who will initiate, I'm not sure, because it is coming out in the mutual energy. Can be, if you want, you can work on this situation. Okay, it can be a small step forward, perhaps a small text message, small information, small message, something of that sort. And that is all because of the fact that there is love in this connection. If you want, you can correct it. You want a new beginning in this connection. It's not that you don't want, it's coming on the mutual side. So perhaps both of you want. Okay, but it's only because of the fact you're not agreeing to each other for something, you're not able to get along, that you both of you are feeling fed up and all that. But I think you can work on this connection. Yeah, guidance from the angels. Number 25 or number 7 may be of some significance for your romance. Lavish the one you love with personal attention and affection. So this is what it is. There is a lot of love, there is a lot of romance in this relationship, but the only problem here is perhaps you're not giving enough time to the other person, and that is the cause of your fights, because that is the reason that this person is trying to spend so much. Maybe that is the reason that this person is sort of trying to compensate for that lack of love and attention by overspending. Can be that. One more thing is which came to my mind was that wait a sec. maybe that is what you feel, that this person is giving you all the wealth, this person is giving you everything in life, but not the time, not the emotions, and that is what you're fed up of. It can be this also, that you are not getting the emotional aspect of this person, though this person is giving you a lot of wealth, and that is why this wealth is looking as a factor for being stumbled upon, because that maybe the fight is because of this, that this person is giving you all the materialistic things but not love, or not time at least. Even if they have love, they are not giving you the time perhaps, or maybe they are not showing their emotions. So it is something like that. So I don't know what it will be. It will be different for different people, but yes, it seems to be something like that. But anyway, this is something which can be worked upon if you want to. Okay, it's all upon you, because there are only small beginnings over here. Okay, so you really need to understand that the other person is also fed up of this relationship, and of the things, the way the things are going, and if you want to rectify them, then you need to really put in the effort. Okay, you can't take the other person for granted. So that's all I have for you, Taurians. Hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.